Hey everybody, it's Jesse here, St. Joe Harley-Davidson, and we have been talking about the Screamin Eagle Performance upgrades you can do to your motorcycle. First we talked about the Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuner, then we talked about Stage 1 air cleaner kits, then we did a Stage 2 cam kit, then we talked about a Stage 3 big bore kit, and then last time we talked about the Monster Stage 4 big bore kit. Today we are going to talk about the Screamin Eagle Smart Tune Pro automatic tuning module. So it consists of these pieces right here. You have your O2 sensors. These are new O2 sensors. They're wideband O2 sensors, and they read the oxygen levels in the exhaust system to determine the optimum air-fuel ratio that your motorcycle needs. Then this is the actual automatic tuning module that hooks up to your motorcycle, and it constantly monitors the operating parameters of your motorcycle and automatically adjusts the bike's ECM for any changes for best performance for your bike, and it will do that at any elevation. So that covers all the Screamin Eagle Performance packages that you can do for the Milwaukee 8 engine. So if you have any questions, we have a Black Friday, Orange Saturday event happening right now. So come out and see us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Come see us.